Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to move your apps to your SD card. And if you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button, and yeah, let's get right into it. So go to settings and then go to memory or storage, sorry, and then you change your default location right here. You change it to SD and make sure that you have a large SD card, at least 16 gigabytes. I used just for demonstration purposes, so let's get right into it. You're going to change your default location and you're going to change it to SD card, and then your phone will restart. When it's done restarting, it will show you the default location as SD card. So let's get to moving the app. I'm going to move PUBG Mobile to my SD. So I'm going to go to I'm going to go to files, then I'm going to go to local. So you go to Android and then you go to OBB. So yes, you're going to take this, and then I'm gonna, did I press move? No. Okay, let me just move it to SD. Going to go to Android, OBB, and then you move it here. Merge here. Okay, so it's done moving. So as you can see, local, SD card, Android, OBB, that's the file path to the PUBG mobile file, the OBB file. I moved it to the SD card. As you can see, it's in the SD card. And please guys, follow on screen instructions. Whatever you see on screen, follow it, because people have been giving me complaints about me not being clear enough. Just follow what you see on screen. What I say is not even that important. Whatever you see on screen, do exactly as you see me do on screen. So I'm going to open PUBG, the PUBG game, and let me first switch on my data because I switched it off. Okay, I switched it on. So yeah, I'm confident that it will work. So yeah, remember, follow whatever you see me do on screen. Whatever I did, just do exactly what I did. It's that simple. Yeah, normally it takes a while to open. Don't know why. I don't know why that does that only with me, but yeah, it does that. And by the way, I'm using a P20 Lite. This is a P20 Lite with the latest software available for the P20 Lite. So yeah, there you go guys, the game is opening. It wants an update, but I'm not going to update it now. But as you can see, the game is opening. After the update, it will be fully functional. So yes, that is how you move any game actually to your SD card. So just follow on screen instructions and everything will go as planned. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, thank you, bye.